bird is flying into my back French door here and smacking his beak against the glass, and I think it's messing with my cat. So I woke up and there's a plant that was knocked out of the windowsill and laying in the sink. The bird's back. It has been hanging onto the screen, making noise. This bird is back.
They tried to fight back, but were unsuccessful. They didn't have the firepower to
Cat,
save their countrymen.
bird.
Have you seen the video?
See? That's what he's doing. The fucking bird is doing that. Is that someone's pet, or is this really a red robin? For 4 days in a row now, he's been driving my cats crazy. Look at the bird. There he is. He's back. See? Every single morning. There's a cat. There's a cat. And there's the bird. Why is he doing this? It's like a week straight. See? Look at his ass. What are you doing, man? Cat. Keeps smacking the window. This damn bird is back. This bird is picking on my cats. Crazy. Yeah, you, man.